Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to find items to buy on Facebook Marketplace. If you want to buy something on Facebook Marketplace, how you will find that? How you will search? In this video I am going to show you exactly this. Hit the like button and let's continue. Open your Facebook app. To find something on Facebook Marketplace, tap on the menu and go to the marketplace. In the marketplace, you can search for something specific, browse by categories, or filter your result. Change the location of the items that you are looking for. If you don't know exactly what you are looking for, you can use categories to look through different groups of items from the list. Tap on the categories. Here you will find a lot of categories to choose from. Once you have found a category, tap to open. Here is the product. Now you can send message to the seller by tapping the blue send and start your conversation. To search for something specific, tap on the search button and type something in the search box. I am looking for a headphone. Here you will find all the headphones available in Facebook Marketplace in your location. Open this one. From here you can also send a message to the seller. By this way you can find items to buy on Facebook Marketplace. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you liked this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.